Okay, wow. Like, I totally love that you came to me and said this. This is a total reflection of the work that we've done to develop that trust. And moving forward, I'll make sure that there are so many like grounding things and nervous system relaxation things that we can do together that make
Mhm.
sure that when you leave, you feel like really, yeah, maybe a little triggered by some of the content that we worked on, but super safe and sort of cocooned in whatever grounding strategies we used for you to leave.
Yeah, absolutely. What I liked about that is that the patient came to you and told you, "Hey, this didn't
Mhm.
work for me," or "This was hard." And I want to acknowledge how hard that is for so many people.